Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shruti Raval from Team X, and we are participating in the healthcare track. The problem statement that we are dealing with is the nationwide shortage of trained physicians and doctors. Rural residents often have to travel for long distances just to be able to meet a doctor. Also, in pandemic times, access to proper healthcare facilities is the need of the hour. Why this issue? India has a significant shortage of trained physicians nationwide. About 80% of the medical workforce is concentrated only in top 8 to 10 cities, and it serves only 28% of the total population. Due to this, access to healthcare still remains an aspiration for many people. In rural India, a patient may have to travel for even about 12 kilometers to meet a doctor. The need of the hour is to provide good quality healthcare access to rural population. So the solution we propose is an Android IoT based real-time health monitoring and medical consultation system. We are calling it as Sanjeevani. Sanjeevani is a medical web app that tackles the urban-rural healthcare divide by helping patients get doctor consultations virtually through app or web-based videos, chats, and voice guidance. It has two different parts, the IoT system and the medical web app. The IoT system is connected to the cloud and it lets the user keep a real-time check on some basic health parameters like heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, etc. The medical web app offers people to get a better healthcare access by connecting them to doctors, specialists, and healthcare experts on a digital platform, thereby providing them an online consultation without a physical visit. For the doctors, it also includes the feature to view track the medical record of the patient regularly and efficiently. Talking about the tools and technologies that we use to build it, we use the Firebase real-time database as database, the native Android platform to develop the Android application, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript for the website. Talking about the sensors that we used, so we used sensors like EG module, pulse oximeter, temperature sensor, glucometer, and blood pressure module. Now let's move on to the demo of the product. So let us start with the demo of the Android application. As discussed, it is called Sanjeevani. So this is the login page of Sanjeevani. Let's quickly register as a new user. So I hit the new user button, and let's say I'm a patient who is looking for medical consultation. So I need to hit yes. So I'll be redirected to the registration page for patients. Now, as I discussed, the app can be used in both Hindi and English. So let's say I have set Hindi as the language preference, as the most preferable language in my phone. So the app also will be loaded in Hindi. So here, as you can see, it loads in Hindi. So once I click yes, I'll be redirected again to the same page, but this time it has been loaded in Hindi. So let's quickly change what we will do during the demo. So once the locale gets adjusted, we'll be able to use the app in English. So I'll enter my email and I'll also enter a password. Once I click register, I'll be registered in the system and logged in automatically. Let's say how it works for the doctors. So once I click no here, I'll be redirected to the registration page for the doctor. Let's say I'm a dermatologist. So here I need to enter my medical registration number. We require this so that we can verify that an actual doctor is trying to register on our portal, and there is not some random person who can come and offer medical help to others. So this will ensure the authenticity of the people. So I'll enter the email and I'll also enter the password. And once I hit register, so here, this time when I try to log in, it gives us a toast saying your profile is yet to be verified. This means that from the backend, the profile of this person has not been verified yet, and so he is not allowed to log in the system, and he hasn't been classified as an eligible doctor yet. However, let's say I tried to log in by the name of Anju Raval, who has already been recognized as a doctor by the system. Once I enter the credentials and hit login here, this doctor will be logged in. So this is basically how the system works. Now let's quickly log in again as a patient and see how it goes. So let's quickly log in the app and start exploring. Once I hit the login button, I'll be logged in. So now once I enter the Sanjeevani kit ID that I have, so as of now the kit ID that I have has the ID 0001. Once I enter it and hit go, the app will start recording the real-time health statistics that the IoT system is recording. And then in order to explore the doctor chats that I have, I need to move to the doctor chats tab. Now in order to start a new consultation with the doctor, I'll be redirected to this activity. Let's say I have some issues and I need to consult a physician. So let us start the doctor consultation with Anju Rawal, who is a physician. A chat room will be created for me. Here I can send her text messages and she can reply to me. If I need to schedule a call with her, I can do that here as well. Let's say I need to book an appointment for today. Now once I hit go, my appointment will be booked with this doctor. I can see my recent chats and all the previous consultations. They can be seen here. Now once I move to the My Calls tab, all the appointments that I've booked recently will be here. So once I click on any of the appointment, I'll be redirected to that meeting room where the doctor and I can have a one-on-one consultation, one-on-one interaction. So I signed out from the app and now I'll be logging in as Anju Rawal in the app. Enter the credentials and once I hit login, I'll be logged in. So you can see these are all the people who have texted me some time back. So once I click any of the labels and go to that chat room, my chat with that person will be loaded. So here I can reply back to them. And I can also view all the appointments that I have with different people. And whenever I click on any of them, so the meeting will start. So for creating this feature, we have used the Jitsi Meet SDK. So I can join the meeting as per the date and timing.
So now moving on to the IoT part of the project, we have a Raspberry Pi connected to the biosensors. The Raspberry Pi reads the live data from the sensors and uploads it to the Firebase database. Each IoT system is uniquely recognized by a device ID, which is then fed into the device ID in the Android app, and then it reads the data from these IoT systems. So now let's execute the code. So upon execution, you can see the data is being updated onto the Firebase and is being sent to the Firebase database by this Python script. So now let's check the Firebase database. So as we can see, under the IoT, we have device ID 0001, which is the device ID which was shown previously. Here the data is being updated in real time through the data read by the biosensors.
Now let's move on to the demo of the website. This is the login page of Sanjeevani. I'll quickly enter my credentials created earlier. And once I hit login, I'll be redirected to the patient dashboard. Here, I can enter my Sanjeevani kit ID, and once I hit go, the website will start fetching the real-time health parameters that are being streamed by the IoT device. Now, I can move to the consultation tab and a list of available doctors will be loaded for me. Now, once I hit the doctor name, I'll be redirected to a chat window with that doctor. I can also see the list of appointments that I have that I've scheduled. And once I click on any of them, I'll be redirected to a Google Meet link. This is the website that we created for Sanjeevani. Thank you.